Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes of Sant Krupal School. Today, we are learning about fiber to fabric. How fabric is made. The clothes that you wear are stitched from fabric. Look at the fabric closely. Can see the threads that make up the fabric? There are horizontal threads and vertical threads. These threads are called yarn. It is this yarn that makes up the fabric. See if you can get a piece of scrap cloth from somewhere. Try to gently pull out a yarn from a piece of scrap cloth. Look at how the yarn comes out. You will see that the horizontal yarn goes alternately above and below the other vertical yarns. The yarns are arranged together in a certain way. They are placed horizontally and vertically. The yarns are very close to each other and this arrangement keeps them together tightly. Now look at the yarn that you pull out from the fabric again. Can you see the arrangement of the yarn? You can make a weaving pattern with paper strips too. You can be creative and make interesting patterns too. Yarn is woven together in the same way to make fabric. Since yarn is much thinner than paper strips, the weaving is done on a loom. Another way of making fabric from fiber is by knitting. In knitting, we use a single yarn and keep twisting it around. Look at a knit fabric closely. You can see that it looks quite different from woven fabric. That is because in knitting we have loops. If you pull out yarn from a knit fabric, you will see that it comes off continuously. That is the difference in woven fabric and knit fabrics. A lot of our clothing is made from knit fabrics. Knitting can be done by hand. Knitting can be done on machines. In 2013, archaeologists in Turkey found cloth made from hemp that was about 10,000 years old. So cloths has been around for a long time. What about cloths? Cloths require stitching. How long do you think man has been stitching cloths? Man has been stitching since the Stone Age. Early man would stitch together animal skin. He used the muscle tissue of animals as thread and made needles from bone. But unstitched cloth can be used as cloths too. We use so many such fabric in India. The way of draping change saris, as you know, can be worn in many different ways. What did we just learn? Yarn has to be woven together to get fabric. Fabric can be made by weaving or by knitting. Man has been weaving and sewing since the Stone Age. Have a good day.